Okay, in this video, we're going to pit the Motorola ATRIX 4G versus the Motorola XOOM Honeycomb tablet. And we're going to benchmark both devices, and we're going to see which one is faster. This is round one in ATRIX versus XOOM. Stay tuned for more videos when I pit these two devices against each other. Now, this video is going to focus on benchmarks. So we're going to benchmark both machines using two different benchmarking softwares. The first one is Linpack. So we're going to select it for both devices. And we're going to run the benchmark on both of them. And hit this at the same time. Okay, in this test, the Motorola ATRIX scored 36.915 megaflops in 2.27 seconds. The Motorola XOOM scored 34.671 in 2.42 seconds. So it took a little bit longer for the Motorola XOOM, and the Motorola XOOM actually scored less. The Motorola ATRIX wins by about 2 megaflops, a little bit over 2 megaflops. Okay, the next benchmark we're going to use is Quadrant Standard. We're going to hit the shortcut for this on both of them at the same time. Now, the orientation on the XOOM is portrait only, so we're going to have to move it this way. Hopefully we can see that in the video here, in the frame. There we go. Now we're going to run the full benchmark on both machines at the same time. So here we go. They're neck and neck, but the ATRIX has the edge so far. The ATRIX finished first, and I'm met with this dialog box here that says benchmark result. Benchmark results and device information need to be sent to a web service to compute the final score. No personally identifiable information will be transmitted. Do you want to proceed? Of course I do. Looks like the ATRIX won here. Let me show you here. It says my device, or your device actually, but it is my device in this case. Your device, 2726. So 2,726 is the score, which is almost double of the next phone on the list here, which is the Nexus 1 with Froyo on it. It's actually more than double because that is just about 1,300. So it's about twice as fast as the Nexus 1 on this benchmark with Froyo on it. Now the XOOM scored 2,008. Which is pretty good. It's way faster than the Nexus 1 with Froyo running on it, but not quite as fast as the ATRIX. The ATRIX has it beat by over 700 points. So what does this tell me? It tells me that both of these devices pretty much have the same innards. They both have the Tegra 2 dual-core processor in it. The difference here is you got Honeycomb, which is Android 3.0, and you have Froyo, which is Android 2.2 over here. So it looks like there's some speed optimization that they still have to do for Honeycomb, Android 3.0. That does it for this round of Motorola ATRIX versus Motorola XOOM. Check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.